Ever wondered how to connect a battery backup to a submersible sump pump? We'll guide you through it today. Picture this, it's a stormy night and the power goes out. But you're not worried because your sump pump has a battery backup. It's an essential tool in preventing flooding in your home. In this video, we'll give you a brief overview of the steps needed to ensure your pump keeps running even when the lights go out. Stay tuned as we dive into the step-by-step process. First, we need to gather all necessary materials. You'll need a battery backup system, a submersible sump pump, and some basic tools. The battery backup system is crucial for maintaining power during outages. Your local hardware store should have a variety of options. Choose one that fits your budget and power needs. The sump pump should be submersible for maximum efficiency. Lastly, grab a toolbox with the essentials: a wrench, screwdriver, and pliers. Now that we have all the necessary materials, we can start the process. The first step is to install the battery backup. To kick things off, ensure that your workspace is clear of any clutter. Safety first, right? Next, unbox your battery backup system and place it near your sump pump. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Connect the positive, red cable from the battery backup to the positive terminal of your battery. Follow this up by connecting the negative black cable to the negative terminal. Always remember, red to red, black to black. If you notice a little spark as you connect the cables, don't fret, it's completely normal. Just be sure to keep your face away from the battery during this process to avoid any accidents. A pro tip for you: tighten the cables securely to the battery terminals to ensure a solid connection. Loose connections can lead to system failures, and we certainly don't want that. Now that the battery backup is installed, we can move on to connecting it to the sump pump. Now comes the crucial part, connecting the battery backup to the sump pump. First things first, ensure the sump pump and backup battery are both turned off. Safety first, always. Next, locate the DC pump connector on your battery backup unit. This is where we'll be plugging in the sump pump. Take the plug that's attached to your sump pump and insert it into the DC pump connector. Make sure it's properly seated. Now, we're going to connect the charger. Find the AC charger connector on your battery backup and plug in the charger. Once done, it's time to power on the battery backup and then the sump pump. You should see lights on the battery backup indicating that it's charging and providing power to the pump. If you see these signs, congratulations, you've successfully connected your battery backup to the sump pump. With the connection complete, your sump pump now has a reliable battery backup. And there you have it, a submersible sump pump with a connected battery backup. We've walked through every step, from gathering materials to the final connection. It's important to remember that regular maintenance of this setup is crucial for its longevity. This battery backup can be a real game changer, providing an extra layer of protection against flooding. Remember, a bit of preparation can save you from a lot of potential water damage. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.